So the next stage of lawn renovation, after we've done the scarifying, is aeration. So it's really important to get as many holes as possible into the lawn to decompact it and aerate it so that we break through that subsurface thatch right into the root zone so that all the nutrients in the future can get in nice and deep to the sward. But also it lets rain in and promotes that root growth so that the roots go deeper and the lawn's much happier. So this is a typical compact tractor mounted aerator. It's a very robust machine. And as you can see here, we've got, in this case, hollow tines which pierce 4 or 5 inches into the soil and eject the cores out the back so that we've got a nice clean hole once the machine's gone across the ground. So this is a typical aerator we would typically use to get the job done fast and efficiently.